Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enhance your images on Remaker AI. So this is an image that I've gotten. I have here that was upscaled on Remaker AI, and I'm going to show you how to upscale those images. So if I head over to Remaker AI homepage here guys, I want to look towards the section where it says image upscale. So I can click on that on the upper left. Then in this section you can upscale your image, or you can go to the enhance section here. So click on that one at the top, upload your image. I'm going to upload this image that I've, let's say, upscaled before, and now I'm going to add that image to have it enhanced, and it's going to enhance the quality of the image and make it look so much better. So let's be patient and wait for it to do its thing, and normally it is very quick, so let's see it in a moment. Okay guys, there we have it. My image is now enhanced and it has been done with a free tool. So I'm going to quickly download that and open up my newly enhanced images and have a look at the quality guys. It looks so much sharper and so much cooler. And that's it guys, that's how you go ahead and enhance your image using Remaker AI.